Hamburger for home conditions. Preparation guide. There is not always an opportunity and desire to visit a public catering to pamper yourself with this dish, because it is worth the risk to cook a hamburger at home. It's pretty easy, you only know the basic secrets. We will tell about them further. This traditional American dish has long conquered the whole world. The relative simplicity of preparation, richness, and excellent taste, as well as a variety of recipes, allow literally everyone to find their perfect hamburger. It can be an excellent snack for a party in the American style, as well as a replacement for the boring banal sandwich or sandwich. The main thing is meat. A burger is essentially a sandwich with minced meat patties. For her, the most important ingredient is meat, not minced meat. Take chilled, not frozen meat, otherwise its taste characteristics will not be the best. Therefore, it is necessary to buy meat immediately before cooking. If you decide to cook burgers at home, choose the back of the cow, brisket, rib. It is important that the meat was quite fat. You can mix meat for meatballs from several different parts. This way we will achieve different shades of taste. The selection of spices is also important. To get the perfect cutlet, you should definitely, after holding minced meat, hold it for at least half an hour in the refrigerator. Often, other ingredients are added to the standard ground beef, for example chopped mushrooms. To do this, they should be really finely chopped, so that they do not violate the uniformity of the structure of the patties. Tasty bun. An important component of any burger is a delicious airy bun. Many people think how to make such a bun on their own. Ideal for these purposes brioche from the air test. Such a bun should be blown away when pressed in order to bite. A rather voluminous burger was comfortable.